What's up, y'all? I'm Khadijah Nicole and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig transformation. So I've already went ahead and braided my hair down as flat as I could get it. I know I got a lot of hair, so I got to do what I got to do. And now I'm applying my wig cap because I'm going to be tacking this down with the got to be method. So right now I'm just spraying some of the hairspray down and then I'm blow drying it, to make sure it stays stuck down to my head. So now I'm going in with my scissors and I'm just cutting away the excess cap. And I always try to be pretty careful because I don't want to cut my skin or mess around and cut my real hair. So I'll go ahead and cut around my ears and just make sure I get all of the excess cap off. And this wig video is in collaboration with Ishow Hair, so shout out to them for sending me this wig. So now I'm just going in with some makeup to try to make the cap blend in with my skin color. I usually like to use a cap that's already close to my skin color, but this is all I had on hand right now, so I'm just using this to make it look close to my skin as possible. And I'm just going to cut away a little bit more of the excess of the cap just to make it look, almost perfect. I want it to look, real good, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my wig. Once I have it on, nice and good, I'm just gonna pull it back just a little bit so that I can go in and start applying my got to be gel to the perimeter of my hair so that I can tack the wig down. And if you are familiar with wig videos or do wigs yourself, I know you pretty much know about this step. The blow drying just helps to make it tacky and so that I can, make the wig stay on my head. And I find it a lot easier to work in smaller sections, applying the gel to the perimeter of the hair. It just makes it a lot easier to tack everything down nice and good. And this is what the hairline is looking like now that I've tacked the wig down completely. So I decided that I wanted to do a middle part. I don't usually do middle parts that often, but today I want to do a middle part. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. And I need to try to get it as flat as possible. So I'm spraying a little bit of water to the top of the wig as well, just to help flatten it out. And I usually like to widen my part a little bit just to make it look a bit more natural. So I'm going to go in and start pulling out some of the hairs around the part so that it can look a little bit deeper and more natural. And once I'm done with that, of course, I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs, the edges or whatever. You don't always have to do your edges or baby hairs at all, but I like to do mine, so you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna whip these things up real quick. Also, like I said, this wig is from Ishow Hair. It is their body wave lace front and it is 24 inches. And I basically just use both the got to be hairspray and gel to help me swoop up the baby hairs, and I'm just gonna do this to both sides of my hair. Right now, as you guys can see, I think it's looking pretty good. And I'm gonna just do the same thing that I did to the other side to this side. So now that I got all of that done, I went ahead and tied my edges up because I'm getting ready for bed, and I already did one half of my hair. I'm using Flexi rods to curl my hair overnight. This is gonna give me like nice bouncy beautiful curls in the morning. So I think I used about 6 Flexi rods for this, and y'all, super quick and easy to do. And I'm just gonna sleep in these, put my bonnet on, go to bed, and in the morning we taking these things out. Look at that bounce. Yes, this hair is beautiful. I really like this hair. It has a very nice density, very natural. It's not too thick, but it ain't thin either. It's very natural looking. Look at my curls. Yes, this came out like super cute. And I'm just going in with the flat iron to try to flatten out my roots even more. Because sometimes doing flexi rods can do a little weird bump in your hair. I don't know. The flat iron helps though. And I just use a little bit of the hairspray to get rid of flyaways, and this is what my hair is looking like. If you guys like this unit, definitely make sure you check out Ishow hair. I'll have all of their links and details in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.